Okay. Ayan, drum roll. Diba? Up. Wow, that was really good, officer. But you know what, folks? Zoe can do that, no problem. Right? Is that no? You can do it. Come on, step down and show them your amazing 1% step. All right, now go. Come on. Hey, Zoe, you never have a broken flipper? So does it mean no one flipper stand? Oh, Officer Jason, maybe not, but watch this. Okay, that's the guy having a nice round of applause for Zoe. Come on, everybody. So we are the Sea Lion Marine Patrol because these guys are South American sea lion. They are not a seal. So how can we tell? Well, we know, officer. Okay, Zoe, come on. Let's show them why you're called sea lions. That's because of this. That's right. Sea lions have these big and powerful front flippers. They use these flippers to swim a lot like a bird uses its wings to fly through the air. That's correct. And sea lions also have rotatable back flippers, so moving on land so easy. So guys, we know how sea lions move, but the Lucille are very different. They have a small front flippers and their back flippers won't rotate. On land, they move a little bit funny. Now guys, tell me, would you like to see Zoe's imitation of a seal? Alright, Zoe, you heard that? Now, let's show them a seal. Alright, that looks like a seal. And this is how a seal walks. See what I mean? A little bit funny on that. So guys, have a big round of applause for a great imitation. The Sea Lion Marine Patrol member must also be quickly and gracefully through the water. So we have Officer Lina together with Ruben to demonstrate. Well, it looks like a false start, so let's try again one more time. I think so we may not have one of the most important skills that every cadet needs.